Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, especially to our teacher in General and Inorganic Chemistry na si Ma'am Nika Tagupa, and sa aking mga kaklase sa ngayon. Our topic for today is also about the Group 1A or the Alkali Metals Group na kinabibilangan especially ni hydrogen, lithium, ni sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and si francium. Okay, yung mga binanggit ko na elements ay sila yung mga kabilang sa group 1A or in other name is the alkali metal group. Okay, at syempre ang pinakauna ay si hydrogen. Sino nga ba si hydrogen? Okay, si hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. In normal condition, it is a colorless, odorless, and insipid gas formed by diatomic molecule. The hydrogen atom is symbol for H is formed by a nucleus with 1 unit of positive charge and 1 electron. Its atomic number is 1 and its atomic weight is 1.00794. Another one na tungkol po sa hydrogen is the chemical element with the symbol H and the atomic number is 1. Okay, pag sinabi natin hydrogen, it is the lightest element. At standard condition, hydrogen is a gas of the atomic molecule having the formula H2. It is colorless o sinabi kanina natin na colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-toxic, and highly combustible si hydrogen. The symbol for hydrogen is H. The atomic number is 1. Atomic mass niya po ay 1.00784. Na-discover ang hydrogen noong 1766, discovered by Henry Cavendish. Ganun, ang melting point niya din is negative 259.2 degrees Celsius. The ionic compound formula for hydrogen is the isolated hydrogen ion, represented by the symbol H positive, is therefore customarily used to represent a proton. Where is hydrogen found? Okay, here on Earth, vast number of hydrogen atoms are contained in water, plants, animals, and of course in human. But while it is present in nearly all molecules in living things, it's very scarce as a gas, less than 1 per million by volume po si hydrogen. Okay, there are some example of hydrogen in biologically important inorganic compound containing hydrogen are, for example, water H2O and the hydrochloric acid HCl, which is produced by the stomach. Organic compounds are fundamentally defined as those substances containing carbon atoms and carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bonds. Okay, si hydrogen ba ay nagagamit natin sa araw-araw natin na buhay? Okay, yes. Because hydrogen can be used in fuel cell to generate electricity or power and heat. Today, hydrogen is most commonly used in petroleum refining and fertilizer production, while transportation and utilities are emerging market. Yan po yung hydrogen. Kaya pinsan mahalaga din po si hydrogen sa buhay Okay, our second elements is the lithium. Okay, si lithium po ay under pa din siya sa group 1A or the alkali metal group. Okay, si lithium is a chemical element with the symbol Li and the atomic number is 3. It is a soft silvery white alkali metals. Under standard condition, it is the least dense metal and the least dense solid element. Okay, the atomic weight for lithium is 6.941. Ang kanyang oxidation state din ay positive 1. Ang kanyang melting point is negative 180.5 degrees Celsius. Ang kanyang boiling point naman is negative 1342. The density is 0.534 and the electronegativity naman is 1.0. No, si lithium ay na-discover din ni Johann August Arfwedson. Okay. What is the use of lithium? Okay, it is used to treat mood disorders such as mania. Kapag mania naman, ito yung mga feeling highly excited, overactive, or distracted. Kaya pag hypomania naman, ito naman yung similar to mania but less severe. Regular periods of depression where treatment with other medicine has not worked. Na-discover pala ang lithium noong 1817 ni Johann August Arfwedson, yung sinabi ko kanina. Is lithium important for life? Okay. Lithium occurs naturally in soil and water, mostly at low concentration and enter the food chain. It is not one of the essential minerals. Two various studies indicate that low level of Li have beneficial effects on living organisms, where areas high level expose them to toxicity and related detrimental effect. Lithium. Okay, what are the example of lithium? Okay, the most important use of lithium, ano yung mga ginagamit natin importante daw sa lithium? Kagaya ng mga rechargeable batteries for our mobile phones, laptop, digital cameras, and our electric vehicle. Okay, si lithium is also used in some non-rechargeable batteries for things like heart pacemaker, mga toys, and clock. Yun po yung lithium natin. Si lithium po ay kabilang sa Group 1A or the alkali metal group. Okay, our third element is sodium. Okay, si sodium is under pa din siya sa Group 1A or what we call the alkali metals group. Okay, sodium is a chemical element with the symbol Na from the Latin natrium, and the atomic number is 11. It is a soft, silvery, white, highly reactive metal. Sodium is an alkali metals being in group 1 of the periodic table. Its only stable isotope 23Na. The free metal does not occur in nature and must be prepared from compound. Okay. Si sodium is from the Latin natrium. The symbol for sodium is Na. The atomic mass is 22.99. The oxidation state niya is positive 1. The melting point niya is negative 97.18. The boiling point niya is negative 882.9. The density is 0.972. And the electronegativity naman niya is 0.9. Ang sodium ay na-discover noong 1807 ni Humphrey Davy. Okay, see, sodium also form many useful compounds. Some of the most common table salt or yun, NaCl, soda ash, Na2CO3, yung baking soda po natin na NaHCO3, caustic soda na NaOH, gel saltpeter NaNO3, and the borax Na2B407 or 10H2O. Metallic sodium is vital in the manufacture of esters and in the preparation of organic compound. Okay, ano ba yung mga products na kinakailangan si sodium? Okay, the principal commercial sodium compounds are the chloride, carbonate, and sulfate. The most important and familiar sodium compound is sodium chloride or the common salt NaCl. Yan po yung sodium natin. Okay, our fourth elements in the group 1A or the alkali metals group is the potassium. Potassium is very familiar. Diba? Familiar na po si potassium sa atin. Okay, si potassium is the chemical element with the symbol K and atomic number is 19. Potassium is silvery white metal that is soft enough to be cut with a knife with little force. Potassium metal reacts rapidly with atmospheric oxygen to form flaky white potassium peroxide in only second of exposure. Okay, si potassium is a symbol for K. And the oxidation state niya is positive 1. The atomic weight na is 39.10. Melting point 63.25. The boiling point niya po is 759.9. Density 0.87 and the electronegativity is 0.8. Yan po yung potassium natin. Why potassium has a symbol for K? Okay. Bakit nga ba K ang symbol ni potassium? Hindi kagaya nila hydrogen na is H na kinuha sa unang letter ng kanilang word. Okay. The word potassium stems from the English potash, which has used to isolate potassium salt. We can get K from the name kalium, given by the German chemist Martin Heinrich Klaproth, with stem from Alkali, with stem from the Arabic Alkalia or plant ash. The example of potassium is widely available in many foods sa mga kinakain natin, especially in fruits and vegetable. Pero anong ba yung mga fruit and vegetable na to? Mga leafy greens, mga beans, nuts, dairy foods, mga starchy vegetable like winter squash, and yung mga fruits natin kagaya ng banana are rich in potassium sources. Okay, si potassium din is a mineral found in many of the foods you eat. It plays a role in keeping your heartbeat regular and muscles working right. It is the job of healthy kidney to keep the right amount of potassium in your body. Kagaya po ng kinakain natin na banana. Kaya ang banana is rich in potassium. Hindi lang siya basta banana. Si banana po ay rich in potassium po siya. Kaya ganyan po ka-importante si potassium sa ating katawan. Okay, our fifth elements in periodic table, especially in the group 1A or the alkali metal is rubidium. Okay, rubidium is the second most reactive metal and it's very soft with a silvery white luster. Okay. The symbol for rubidium is Rb. The atomic weight is 85.47. The oxidation state is positive 1. The melting point is 38.9. boiling point niya po is negative 686. The density is 1.53 and the electronegativity is 0.8. Okay, rubidium was discovered in 1861 by the German scientists Robert Bunsen and Gustav Kirchhoff and named after the two prominent red lines of its spectrum. Rubidium often occurs together in nature. Okay, what is the use of rubidium? Rubidium and its salt have few commercial uses. The metal is used in the manufacture of proton cell and it's the removal of residual gases from vacuum tubes. Rubidium salt are used in glasses and ceramic and also in fireworks to give them a purple color. Some of the common rubidium compounds are rubidium chloride or RbCl, rubidium monoxide Rb20, rubidium monoxide Rb2O, and rubidium copper sulfate Rb2SO4 or CuSO4 or 6H2O. A compound of rubidium, silver, and iodine Rb and Ag has interesting electrical characteristic and might be useful in thin film batteries. Okay, yan po yun, rubidium natin. The symbol for rubidium is Rb po siya and it's belong to the group 1A or the alkali metals group. Okay, our 6 elements in group 1A is cesium. Cesium is a chemical element with the symbol Cs and the atomic number is 55. It is a silvery golden alkali metal with a melting point of 28.5 degrees Celsius, which made it one of only 5 element metal that are liquid at or near room temperature. Ka-assume for cesium is spelling by the IUPAC or cesium in American English. The symbol for cesium is Cs. The atomic number is 55. The electron configuration is He6s1. The atomic mass niya is 132.90. The melting point niya po is 28.40. The density is 1.87 and the electronegativity niya po ay 0.7 na na-discover ni na Robert Bunsen at Gustav Kirchhoff na sila din ang nag-discover sa rubidium natin. Okay, what are the use of cesium? Cesium is a soft gold-colored metal that is quickly attacked by air and react explosive in water. The most common use for cesium compound is as a drilling fluid. They are also used to make special optical glass, as a catalyst promoter in vacuum tubes and in radiation monitoring equipment. Okay, yan po yung cesium natin. The 6 elements in group 1A or the alkali metal group. Okay, and our lastly element in group 1A is the francium. Okay, francium is a chemical element with the symbol Fr and the atomic number is 87. It is extremely radioactive. It is most stable isotope. Francium negative 223 is the atomic weight. Has a life or only 22 minutes. It is the second most electropositive element behind only cesium, and it is the second rarest naturally occurring element. The symbol for francium is Fr. The atomic number is 87. The electron configuration na po is Rn7s1. The melting point niya po is 27. Boiling point 677. The density is 2.4. The oxidation niya po is positive 1, and the electronegativity is 0.7. Okay, si francium ay na-discover ni Marguerite Perey. Okay, what is the use of francium? Although human needs many elements to be healthy, francium is not one of them. In fact, francium is actually dangerous for humans because it is radioactive. The particles that radioactive elements give off can damage our bodies and can cause disease or cancer. Ang halimbawa po ni francium ay yung X-ray. 'Di ba kapag nagpapa-X-ray na tayo or yung mga nakasubok na is pinapatanggal 'di ba yung damit natin para malaman ko or mabasa or makita ng machine kung ano yung problema sa loob ng ating katawan. Kung for example, kung nabalian ka ng buto, doon natin makikita yung result niya. Kaya nga sinabi niya, francium is actually dangerous for human because it is radioactive. Hindi lang po yung mga may sakit ang mga or dangerous, pati yung mga buntis. Bawal din sa kanila na radioactive kasi madadama yun sinapupunan nila, yung mga sanggol. Pagka magkakaroon sila ng sakit na kailangan nilang ikakamatay. Kaya yung mga buntis ay hindi dapat sila nagpapa-X-ray or yung mga natatamaan ng radio ng X-ray. Ganun po. Okay, yan po yung mga elements na kabilang sa group 1A or the alkali metals group. Okay, sino nga ba yung mga elements na yun? Una ay si hydrogen, kalawa si lithium, si sodium, pangatlo pang-apat si potassium, pang-lima si rubidium, pang-anim si cesium, at saka panghuli si francium. Yan po yung mga elements na makikita po natin sa group 1A or sa alkali metal group sa ating mga periodic table. At dyan po nagtatapos ang aking or our discussion for group 1A or the alkali metals group. And also, thank you for listening to our discussion for today. Especially to our teacher, Ma'am Nika Taguba, and my fellow classmate. Thank you for listening to our topic for today. The group 1A or the alkali metals